Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix product activation failed in Windows Excel. So whenever you encounter this product activation failed, whenever you open your Excel, don't worry, there's a solution to that. The very first thing you should do when you encounter this problem is to simply go to the search box and look for local disk, or you can simply go and tap this folder icon here and go directly to your local disk. Okay, so once you're here, you just have to click this one, scroll down, and look for program files. Under program files, you have to scroll down again and look for Microsoft Office. Here, you have to look for Office 16, but if you're currently using Office 15, it's okay. So you just have to tap that one, scroll down till you see this, okay? Right click and then tap Run as Administrator. Now you have to wait for a couple of minutes as it is processing. Now, once done, you can go back and check your Microsoft Excel again, and you will notice that product activation failed has been removed. So I'd really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.